In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit your profile on Substack. Your Substack profile is often the first thing new readers see, so it's worth taking a few minutes to make sure it looks polished and reflects who you are. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening the site to making edits to saving everything properly, so by the end you'll feel completely comfortable updating your profile whenever you need to. First, open your preferred web browser and go to substack.com. If you're not already signed in, log in with your usual account details. You'll need to be logged in to access your profile settings. Once you're on the main Substack dashboard, take a moment to let the page load fully so all the navigation options appear. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options related to your publication and account. Find the option labeled Profile. This is where your personal information and public-facing details are managed. Go ahead and click on Profile. If you don't see it right away, try scrolling slightly within the sidebar or widening your browser window so all menu items are visible. After you click on Profile, you'll be taken to a page that shows your current profile details, like your name, bio, and possibly your photo. On this page, look for a button or link that says Edit Profile. It's usually near the top of the page, close to your name or avatar. Click Edit Profile to open the editing view. This is where you can make changes to how you appear to readers across Substack. Now you're ready to actually edit your profile. Take a moment to review each field carefully. Update your display name so it matches how you want to be known publicly. If there's a space for a short bio, use it to briefly explain who you are and what your newsletter is about. Keep it clear and concise, since many readers will skim this section before deciding whether to subscribe. If you have the option to upload or change a profile picture, choose a clear, high-quality image that looks good at small sizes, since it often appears as a small circle or thumbnail next to your posts and comments. Some profiles also let you add links to your website or social accounts. If that's available, make sure the links are correct and up to date. As you edit, it's a good idea to pause and quickly reread your text to catch any typos or awkward phrasing. Think about your audience and what you want them to understand about you at a glance. You can always come back and tweak things later, so don't worry about making it perfect the first time, but do aim for something you'd be happy for new readers to see. Once you're satisfied with all your changes, look for the Save button, usually at the bottom or top corner of the editing area. Click Save to apply your updates. Give the page a moment to refresh, then confirm that your new name, bio, and picture look correct on your profile page. That's all there is to it. You've just edited your profile on Substack, and you can repeat this process anytime you want to refresh your information or adjust how you present yourself to your readers.